Before putting on the Pico mask, verify the size. Hold the sizing gauge under your nose. Choose the smallest size that extends beyond the width of your nose. The cushion should fit your nose without blocking your nostrils. The top of the mask cushion may sit between the bridge and tip of your nose. To put the mask on, disconnect a headgear clip by twisting it like a key. Gently place the cushion over your nose. Pull the headgear over your head. Holding the mask in place, connect the headgear clip by pressing it onto the mask frame. Adjust the top straps evenly. Press the tabs against the straps to reattach. In the same way, use the tabs to adjust the bottom strap length. Do not over-tighten the straps. The mask should rest comfortably against your face. The straps should be parallel and the headgear should sit flat. The position of the headgear on the back of your head will vary depending on head size. When the mask is in position, connect the quick-release swivel to the flexible tubing that came with your sleep therapy device. Turn on the airflow and breathe normally for final adjustments. Innovation in you. Philips Respironics.